Hey guys, we have here our Dodge Hornet, and in this video we want to explain to you how to use the seat memory function of this vehicle. So initially you would think this is really easy by just looking it up on the in the instructions manual, and according to that you press the center button here, the number 2 button one time, and then within 5 seconds you either press the 1 or the 3 to store the seat location on either button 1 or 3, and that's completely wrong. So the way that this actually works is you initially just set the seat however you like to use it, and then once you've done that, then you're going to press and hold one of the 3 buttons, so either the 1, the 2 or the 3. So the manual just says you have 2 memory seat positions, so the 1 and the 3, but you actually have 3 of those positions, the 1, 2 and 3, and all you have to do is just press and hold the button until you hear that little beep. And once you hear that, the seat position was stored, and if you want to restore the seat position on either of the 3 positions, then all you have to do is just quickly press on either of the buttons, and it's going to go back to that position. Okay, so that was all it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.